guy doing? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Hello, excuse me. Excuse me. You shouldn't have your earphones in and looking at your phone. You have to stay alert.
Oh, okay. Thanks for reminding me.
I sure hope he doesn't do that again. What the? It's best to cross the street at the crosswalk or corner of the street, where you can easily be seen by cars, not in the middle of the sidewalk. At the crosswalk, keep your ears open for any incoming vehicles. Look all around you. If there is a car, do not assume that they will stop for you. Make eye contact with the driver to make sure you have been spotted before crossing the street. You should also be aware of driveways. You never know when a car may drive in or out of them. If a stranger approaches you, keep your distance. Remember that you can say no, and seek help if needed. That's why it's good to walk with other people if possible. If you don't live in the same household, don't forget to social distance and stay 6 feet apart. That's about a full-grown lion in between you. Lastly, it's good to wear bright or reflective clothes. She might not be as noticeable as him, but has something equally important. Lights can help you be safe and seen in the fog or in the dark. If possible, try to avoid dark alleys and walk on paths that are well lit and popularly traveled. Stay safe out there, everyone!